There, everyone is busy to doing their studies. Some are happy there, some are busy with their loved ones. There, one group sit up peacefully. One boy entered the class. He see his group and happily go toward them. Hello, guys. Happily say. They look at him and smile. Jimin, finally you come. Say, Jimin, what happened? Taeyang, today new professor is coming. Say, make Jimin smile. Jimin, huh? Really? Asked to him. Tay smiled and nodded. Jimin, so what I do? Tay roll his eyes and said, Taeyang, I think you like new professor. Smeg and said Jimin rolled his eyes and nodded as no. So it's daytime, and my brother and sister is just like a cat and dog. Okay, so leave it. The next text is Jimin. No, I don't like someone. Say make Taeyang make. Taeyang, for sometimes I feel like you are engaged and married. Say make Jimin shocked. Jimin, huh? Are you mad? Say make Jiang smile. Jiang, I am just kidding. Say make Jimin laugh. Jimin Jiang, now I you so shut up. Say make Jiang smile. Their principal come. Everyone, good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Principal, good morning. Sit down, class. Today I come here because of some reasons. Say make everyone nod. Its principal. Last professor go on vacation, so new professor come. Said and अब आगे पूरा voice over वैसे ही. The dream is really so bad. I don't want to see the dream. Good night. Say make everyone nodded. Principal, Miss Sherman, please come inside. Say make everyone look at the door. At this moment, the door was open and one handsome and dashing man come enter in the room. Said Jimin, see him and shocked Jimin. He say but control himself. Yoongi, I am Min Yoongi coldly. Everyone shocked to see that much young professor. Jimin hurriedly looking down. Jimin, well, Jimin, see how much he is handsome. Say, make he look at him but shocked because Jimin looking down. Jiang, hey idiot, what happened? Hurriedly asked to him, but Jimin smiled and nodded as no. पागलों की तरह लड़ी जा. हद हो गई. घर है कि चिड़ियाघर, ये नहीं समझ आती जैसे ये बोलते हैं. अब पूरा आई थिंक कि ये करना होगा. एक तो वॉइस ओवर ये बड़ा मुसीबत का काम है. वॉइस ओवर बंदा क्या करे. हम्म 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 Chiang about to tell him something, but Chungi said Chungi's silence today loudly make everyone look at him. Yungi, listen this topic clearly. I don't like to repeat my words. Say me. Everyone scared for a moment, but they nodded. Yungi started to explain some line. Sometimes later, Yungi have any problem? Asked to him. He nodded as non Yungi. If anyone have question, so come my office. Say make they nodded. Now Yungi collect his things and go. Jimin took your life, Chang. Now tell me why you behave like this. Raised one eyebrow and asked to him. Jim about to tell him something. Uh, but Chang said, I want truth. I want to. हद हो गई. हद हो गई. हम्म. 56% battery. चुप 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 चुप. हाँ. Jimin took a deep breath. Jimin, okay, fine. He's my cousin. Say make Taeyang shocked. Taeyang, huh? Say make he nodded. And Jimin, and she is also my. Say and again looking down. Taeyang, hold my hand. Say Jimin, huh? Taeyang, hold it. Jimin hurriedly hold his hand. Taeyang, now I am getting. This is your. Loudly make Jimin shock. Jimin, shut up, idiot. Say make Taeyang smile. Taeyang, now I realize why you don't like these people, because you already have handsome. Say make Jimin looking down. Taeyang, come, let's go. Say make hold Jimin hand and देखो मेरे घर में बहन भाई नहीं ड्रामे रहते हैं. हर एक एक से बढ़कर ड्रामा है, तो यहाँ वॉइस ओवर करना कुछ आसान नहीं. So doing the voice over here is not easy, bro. You have to feel so many things. You have to see so many things. एक तो टेक्स्ट इतना छोटा होता है, या मैं जल्दी बोलती, दोनों में से कुछ तो होता है. Jimin entered the house. He see Mrs. Park busy to talk with Mrs. Min. Jimin, hello guys. Say make this smile. Jimin, auntie, sits beside Mrs. Min and said, Mrs. Min, what happened? Asked Jimin, looking down. Mrs. Min, Jimin, Yoongi did something. Jimin cutely nodded. Mrs. Min, what? Jimin, where I am studying. He's professor there. Say I'm looking down. Mrs. Park, really? Say make Jimin shocked. Mrs. Park, well, I think this is good news. Say make Jimin nodded as no. Jimin, and he also scolded me. Say and make fake crying face. Mrs. Min about to tell him something, but there Yoongi also enter in the house. Jimin gets scared. Jimin gets scared. Okay, so they both are fiancés. It's good. I didn't write the story. The story is written by my sister, so it's also new for me. अगर मैं खुद रीड कर रही होती तो मैंने इस टाइम एंड पर होना था, पर मैं वॉइस ओवर कर रही हूँ. So well, leave it. The third person, Mrs. Min Yoongi. Yoongi stop on his place and look at her. Yoongi, yes, mom. Asked to her as usual, cold voice. Mrs. Min, why you scold my son in university, huh? Hurriedly asked to him, and Yoongi shocked. Yoongi, Jimin, I scold you. Looked at him and raised his one eyebrow. Mrs. Min, tell me. Yoongi took a deep breath. Yoongi, yes, I. Say make Jimin shocked. Mrs. Min, next time don't do this, okay? Such make he nodded. Mrs. Min, and Yoongi, I want to say now you both are elder, so get married. Say make Jimin eyes widen. Jimin, huh? Mrs. Min, what happened? Jimin looking down and nodded as no. Yoongi, okay then, fix it. I don't have any problem. Say and go. Wah. Don't have any problem. And what about Jimin, huh? If he don't want, then. But Jimin also don't have reason to search, no? Leave it. Let's see what happened next. Okay, 45 minutes. Oh. Jimin shocked. Jimin, listen. I think I am young. Say make Mrs. Park nodded as no. Mrs. Park, no. Now go, Yoongi. Jimin shocked. Jimin, we are. Does not husband say make Mrs. Min smile. But Mrs. Min said, Mrs. Park, you think we married her? Go. I know you both already married. Jimin, auntie, hold his hand and said, Jimin, but Mrs. Park, Jimin, mom, how can I go to his room? Say, make Mrs. Min smile. Mrs. Park, when you both get married, then you didn't think about this, huh? Jimin, mom, this is just an. Say, make she raised her eyebrow. Mrs. Park, really? I think that. So I don't know the reason behind how they get married and what's the matter. I don't know. It's new for me also. So what's वाईफाई नहीं चल रहा यार, हद होगी, वाईफाई नहीं चल रहा। वाईफाई ना हो तो ज़िंदगी नहीं होती। ये गलत है, बिल्कुल गलत। Yoongi, you go. Jimin looking down. Mrs. Park and Yoongi, and do everything, and do with him everything. Make Jimin looking down. Jimin, okay, now enough. I am going to his room. Say, make Mrs. Min and Mrs. Park smile. Jimin, but mom, literally I will him if he tease me. Say, make Mrs. Min. Mrs. Jimin looking down. Say, make Mrs. Park is right. Mrs. Park, Jimin. It's your husband. Say, make Jimin looking down. Yoongi, come. Yoongi, mom, I have some work, so I am going outside. Mrs. Min nodded and she go. Now Jimin also go. अब ये पूरे 20 सेकंड में क्या करूँ यार, मैं ना हेडेक हो रहा मुझे। वाकई मदद खाता वाकई हद होगी यार। Night time. Time skip. It's night time. Yoongi enter in the room. He sees Jimin busy to doing the studies. So he is silent. Sit on the couch. Yoongi want any help? Jimin no. Roll his eyes and say he nodded and sit on the couch. He opened his laptop. Door was knocked. Yoongi yes. Door open and one maid enter in the room with food. Maid, sir, please eat dinner. Say make Yoongi shock. Jimin shock. Yoongi plays. Say make she nodded. You look at Jimin was looking down. The he placed the food in front of Jimin and go. यार मैंने भी इतनी इतनी बना कर अपलोड कर दिया करनी है, बट मेरा जो टेक्स्ट है ना वो ज़्यादा लंबा होता है तो मेरा वॉइस ओवर ईजीली हो जाता है। बट ये वॉइस ओवर ये तो बहुत मुश्किल है यार। Jimin, Yoongi Jimin ate dinner. Said and again look at the laptop. Jimin no. I want to eat pizza. Said Yoongi nodded. He placed food in front of him and started eating. Jimin shocked. Jimin, hey, I am hungry. Said and sit beside him. Yoongi, but you don't want to eat dinner, right? Jimin, yes, because I want to eat pizza. Yoongi, pizza is not good for you. Hell, Jimin, please say and show him his puppy eyes. Yoongi took a deep breath and he called and ordered. He again happily sit on the bed and started doing his maths. Yoongi's phone started ringing. He attended the call. इतनी रात भी इनके फ़ोन जो है ना रिंग करते हैं, और हमारे फ़ोन न दिन में करते हैं ना रात में करते हैं। उम्र के तक आते हैं। हाँ शुक्र है वॉइस ओवर मेरा डिलीट हो जाना था। सिम्बा सिम्बा Simborani, once again, Simba is with me. Hmm. Call Youngie, yes, Mrs. Lee. Jimin looked at him and raised his one eyebrow. Youngie, yes, I am preparing the lecture. Say and chuckle. Youngie, no, no, I am not busy. Tell me what you want to say. Now he stand up and go out from the room behind Jimin shop. He stand up and start walking here and there. Jimin, oh, so Mrs. Lee calling him. Think an angry look at the door. After 16, after half hour later, Yoongi enter in the room. He see Jimin is waiting for him. Yoongi, now what happened? Why she call you? Yoongi, why would I tell you? This is my personal matter. Say and sit on the couch. Jimin shocked and sit on it. Simbo, you want to come here? Simbo, you want to come here? सिम्बा खा खा कर मोटी हो रही है, बात मानती नहीं है. सिम्बा ने कहना कि हर टाइम मेरी डाइट देखती है. Yoongi, you say Yoongi, don't you dare. Loudly, Jimin gets scared. He think Yoongi never bring with him rude and cold. Yoongi, go and sit down. Say make he sit down. Yoongi start to doing his work. Yoongi in mind, if this time I never being called with you so you didn't eat anything and look at Jimin. Angrily look at you. Door was no Yoongi, your pizza come. And make he look into another side Yoongi Jimin. Say and make he stand up and open the door. Now he start to Yoongi see little angry bird and smile. हाँ बटन बज रहे हैं यार. मेरा ना सिर्फ 10 मिनट का वॉइस ओवर रह गया. Shimbo, only 10 minutes. Shimbo, come here. Shimbo, don't listen me. Jimin enter in the corridor. He is busy to talking with Chiang. Chiang, oh, so angry on him. Jimin rolled his eyes and nodded. Chiang, oh, see, Mr. Min and Mrs. Lee said, and Jimin looked at him. Who's busy to talking with Mrs. Lee? Both looking very happy. Jimin wait. I told him say Jay want to stop him to Jimin. But Jimin didn't listen him and called Jimin sir. Yoongi looked at him. Jimin sir, can you tell me what are you doing here? Make Yoongi smile. Mrs. behave. You, I think you forget your manners. हद हो गई यार. आहिस्ता आहिस्ता बोलो. सिम्बा सिम्बा दरवाजा नहीं है. ला विंडो से जा रही है. देख काम देखी. सिम्बा सिम्बू वापस आ जा. आ गई वापस. देखो मैं से क्या कहूँ. So you now have to take admission in college and I was so confused. What should I do? Jimin gets scared. Jimin ma'am. Mrs. Lee, I think you forget she is your professor. Say make he nodded. Mrs. Lee says sorry. Jimin about to say, but Yoongi speak up. Yoongi, Mrs. Lee, it's enough. And Jimin shocked and looked at Yoongi who's looking angry. Mrs. Lee, what happened, Mr. Min? Yoongi, he is talking with me. So why you called him? Say make she shocked. Yoongi says sorry to my husband. Say make Jimin eyes wide. Mrs. Lee husband. Yoongi, yes, husband says sorry. Mrs. Lee, but Yoongi I says sorry. Bit loudly, Mrs. Lee, I am sorry, Jimin. हाँ हाँ तो गई. Shimbo, सिम्बो, सिम्बा, सिम्बा। सिम्बा बड़ी बदतमीज, सिम्बा बात ही नहीं सुनती। खैर मेरा भी वही सब थोड़ा ही है। जा रही हूँ मैं भी इस रूम से, फिर नहीं मैंने माना। हद हो गई, इतना बोलते हैं ना बंदा, यहाँ वॉइस ओवर करे कैसे करे, मुझे तो ये समझ नहीं आता। हद हो गई, यहाँ पे किसी से बात भी नहीं कर सकता। There is no privacy in my life, in your uni life. Okay, she go. Jimin looking down. Yoongi go and attend your lecture. Jimin but Yoongi look into Yoongi as Yoongi. We talk later. Say and go behind Jimin. See his back to Young. Jimin, are you okay? Say make he nodded. Now both enter the class. Jimin confused about his feeling. He think now what to do. Holiday passed and now they have to go home. सिम्बा चली गई? नहीं नहीं यही है, मुझे लगा चली गई। सिम्बा ने कहाँ जाना है मेरे बगैर? सिम्बा कहीं नहीं जाती और ये सबसे बड़ा झूठ है जो मैं खुद से बोलती हूँ। It's alright, I do this to make myself happy. But the reality is this, Simba is not interested in me. Jimin is busy to doing his work and suddenly door open and Yoongi enter in the room. He see Jimin. Jimin hurriedly come close to him. Jimin listen. Yoongi sit on the couch. Yoongi Mrs. Lee tell everything to principal. Come close to him and nodded. Yoongi He rested his head on the couch back and said, Jimin principal call you in his office. माशाल्लाह हो ईमान। Okay, so Jimin as he sits beside him and asks Yoongi, look up Yoongi. Jimin saw what she said, put hand in him and asked to him. Yoongi feel his hand, he open his eyes and look at him. So सिम्बा के लिए नथिंग, जस्ट सिम्बा के लिए दूध था और वो उसे दे रही थी, इसमें टाइम लग गया। सो स्टॉप द वॉइस ओवर, आई एम डूइंग अगेन। ओके, गर्मी काफ़ी है, ख़त्म होगी, ख़त्म होगी सारा। मेरा भी, मेरा भी, मेरा भी। Today he sees something in Jimin's eyes. Jimin, please tell me what she said. Yoongi hold his hand. Yoongi, why you think that much? You think I am weak? Jimin, please, Yoongi say, and eyes fill with tears. Yoongi, चनिया जी मुँह नहीं धोता है, वो चाय पींदी हाँ। Yoongi, I resign the job. Say, make Jimin shocked. To come out, Jimin, because of me. You do this, I know. Down and say, Yoongi. See him and smile, Yoongi, for you. I leave everything, you know. Make Jimin look up. Yoongi wipe his tears, Yoongi, because I give you my. Say, make Jimin looking down because it's difficult to look into Yoongi eyes. बेचारी उनकी बेरोजगार हो गया। चिम्बो, चिम्बो ने खाना खा लिया। सिम्बा ने सिम्बा एक वाहिद कैट है जो दूध नहीं पीती, इसे बहुत मुश्किल से पिलाना पड़ता है। आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स द मैटर। Yoongi, you are the reason of my smile. You think why I always talk with you softly. Jim look at him and ask Jim and looking down Jim Yoongi and look into another side. Yoongi hold his chin, make him look at him. Yoongi so much for you he leave himself and this is a simple job. Make Jimin looking down and smile. Yoongi, at least look at me. Say make Jimin look up. Yoongi, Yoongi so much. So did you ask to him? Jimin peaceful. Jimin, huh? Looking down, Yoongi smiling. Yes, tell me. Try to tease Jimin. Jimin, yes. हम्म, हाँ वॉइस ओवर नहीं हो गया, महाल हो गया, ख़त्म ही नहीं हो रहा। मिस्टर सिम्बो, सॉरी मिस सिम्बो, सिम्बा, अल्लाह दूध पी के भाग गई और अब बात भी नहीं सुन रही, सारा इसने ले लिया। बेडरूम अच्छा है ऑफ कोर्स, दिस इज़ माय चॉइस और द बेडरूम इज़ गुड। हम्म Say and stand up, Yungi smile. Stand up and back, hug him, Yungi really. Waist stretch in Jimin shoulder and say, Jimin, huh? Come out. Yungi really. Jimin, why you tease me, huh? खत्म हो गया also. Why you tease me, huh? Say make Yungi smile. He make him look at him. Both eyes meet. Both eyes want something today. Yungi, thank you so much. May say, make Jimin close his eyes. Yungi picked him. Now Yungi, oh, imagination free. Imagination free. जो चाहे imagine करो. No one stop you. Imagination is free. It's okay, but the 30-second voiceover is too much. Simbo, Simbo ने दूध पी लिया. जान को सुकून हो गया सिम्बो. Well, Simbo, I am going. You sit here alone. Hi Simbo, चली मैं. हो गया मेरा वॉइस ओवर. Hope so you guys like. If you like, then subscribe and tell me in comments. Take care of yourself. सरांगे. हाँ हो गया बस. 1 मिनट चुप कर जाओ. हो गया. हो यार रुक जा.